Let's add our components. We reach the top left corner of our canvas and click on the blue plus button. This little components sidebar enables the drag and drop of components. We choose an image. As you can see, it can be dragged around or resized at your will. To match the look and feel of the template, we need to make the image taller. Now we're going to upload an image. By dragging and dropping, we can easily transfer files to Webround. Once the processing is complete, the image will be available in the Uploaded Images section. If we right-click on the image, we can also access its context menu to edit style and file properties. As an example, we can change the display mode of the image, selecting Contain, Fill or None. We'll stick to Cover.